All right, yo, what is up, cadets? Just out on the mission. Finally coming back after a while. I do have some other videos that I have stored, but I might have lost the data, which sucks. But I'm gonna be working on the 1995 VLX 600. It is a Honda VLX. I'm not sure if it's a Shadow. No, it's a VLX, not a Shadow. But yeah, I just ordered a battery for it because the battery was giving us issues. I did change out the stator and the rectifier, but I'm not sure if it burned the other battery or what exactly happened. Maybe the other battery was cheap. This battery is just an eBay battery. I paid like maybe like 30 bucks for it, but yeah, I just wanted to get a battery to make sure, because I know any cheap battery will work, but eventually we'll get a better one for it. But for now, I just wanted to test run this one just to make sure, because it's a Caltrick battery, which I've had okay luck with. It's not the best, but I'm not really too worried about any of that. So it's just a regular battery. It looks repurposed from what I see there, but I really don't care. And as you can see, it's the Caltrick brand. I don't know if you can get a good look right there. Let me pull off this plastic. Yeah, so the Caltrick brand. So gonna get this installed, and hopefully it charges and runs smoothly. That's a long shot, but with these older bikes, I mean, carburetors, just it's so much you have to understand. Either or. Let's get to it. See you guys on the next one. All right, yo, cadets, I am back. Let's get this situated. So where's that battery at? I think I have the bag for the battery too, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I got it right here. Okay, so I just gotta, here, I'll just get into place now. This one's a little awkward to get into place, but let me see. Is this your positive? That is your positive. Okay. Alright, good. So it's in place now. And I'm gonna just get it bolted on. Then I'm gonna show me starting it, and we're gonna test the voltage. Oh yeah. Yo, so I have a good amount of bikes, and I have a lot of spare keys that look the same, because I always end up losing things and I don't really know which one it is. So I gotta test out each one, which is probably not a lot, but I'm just saying. I mean, I'm pretty sure some of these keys are actually for like one or two of those, so we'll figure it out. Right So I installed the battery, and right now I got it set to the voltage settings, which is that little setting right there. You can tell by those 3 little dots in the line across. I forgot what that one is. Amps maybe? No, it's not amps. I think amps is this one. But either way, it's at 1276 right now. It's kind of hard to hold this. Let me see if I can hold this now. We'll see right now. We'll see if it charges. I'll let you guys know. Well, let's see if it starts. Alright, well, first off, we gotta see if it starts before I even test if it's charging. Well, I'm pretty sure it'll start, but it just gives issues, you know? Alright. So I flipped the switch on. As you can see, it's very faint, but you could see the light, the neutral light is on. The dash is lit up. We're gonna put it to run, and we're gonna see if we can get it going. All right, so the bike is idling, which is pretty damn cool. At this moment I tested it and it's at 12.22 while running, which should be at 13, between 13.5 to 14, I think it is, or 13 to 14. I'm not too exact sure on these specs, but I know that's just the range that you got to go through. But yeah, I think it might be the rectifier because of the way it's charging, so I'm gonna put the old one back on and maybe that'll help it. If not, it's gonna be the stator and rectifier. I'll just replace both. But as you can see, sorry, it sounds beautiful. This is a gorgeous bike. Definitely gonna retouch it up and gonna have it nice for my family. Oh yeah. All right, well, I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for tuning in. This is a long one maybe, or I don't know if I'm gonna do something after this right now, but might work on another bike, but I just wanted to get something out. All right, well, pleasure seeing you guys, and just like. All right, cadets, so we are back. I guess I don't know if we finished the episode or if not, but we gotta keep going. I have energy today to keep it pushing, which sometimes you do, sometimes you don't, but it's better off if you do because you'll accomplish more things. As you can see, I just kind of ran it however I wanted to. Obviously this rectifier doesn't work, or it's the stator that doesn't work, but right now it's running smoothly once I get it up to temp and just the way it's running. So I'm gonna disconnect this old rectifier and connect the rectifier I actually purchased that was said to be working. We'll see. This was the original one I had on it, so we'll see maybe if it was the battery or maybe if it was the actual rectifier. So I'm gonna just tie them together like this, not do anything major, just tie them together and yeah, run it again and see if it charges. Let's get it. The rectifier I had ordered with the stator to see if it's maybe the battery that was bad the first time. This is the old stator. I mean, not the old stator, the old rectifier. I took it off, I spliced these, and I'm gonna see if it charges. All right, so I'm just adjusting the idle screw. I just want to hear it idle a little better because it idles, but we'll see. We'll see what that does. Okay. All right, well, so I seen the old rectifier does not work. I have to replace both the charging system just to be on the safe side. Sucks, but that's just what has to happen. Fortunately, the rear tire is done. The front tire was done, but unfortunately it got flat, and this one has a tube, so I have to get that replaced. I'm gonna see if I can color match this. Just clean up any little details right here, just a little bit, you know, clean it up, fix this tail light, maybe put a nice LED right here on the back. There's definitely a lot of plans for this, but yeah. All right, well, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next one, and like and subscribe. Of course, you don't really have to like, I really could care less for that. Just subscribe and check stuff out. We do stuff that are fun here. Definitely gonna be doing a little bit more on that R1 2020 that I had actually got due to my 2018 having issues. I have a video for that. This one, it's a project I gotta get going. This one, I cleaned the carburetors and I just adjusted a few things. I'll explain that once I get to it. This one, need to reseal the clutch cover and put some red tape here. And this one needs a lot of work. I don't even want to get into that. And you see that one hiding over there. Subscribe, of course, and stay fly, live free, ride fast, and just enjoy yourselves. Peace.